In this tutorial I will show you how to change color of object in Adobe Photoshop. First, we will copy this layer. Go to Object Selection tool. Select this area. Add a layer mask. We will copy this layer. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Choose this color and press OK. Now we will right-click on the second layer and choose Create a Clipping Mask. Change the blending option Multiply. Choose this first layer. Change the blending option to Multiply. Now we will double-click on this layer. Now we can choose our custom color from here. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.